2005 Chevy Equinox, and this video is on the Serpentine belt, how it's lined. So is this right here, this black thing, is what you use to move the tensioner. This is the belt tensioner down there. It's kind of got like a pointy end on the end, and then so as you can see, this is my tool right here to move that thing. That thing is what allows you to move the belt to be able to get it on and off. So this is a special tool because a lot of these are very narrow and you can't get a regular 3/8 inch ratchet head on there, socket head, that you would put your your sockets on. So that's all that black thing is. So the pulley comes from below there, underneath your tensioner, the rubber side facing the inside of the tensioner. It comes around, up around the alternator. That's your alternator. And the insides of the rubber come on top of the alternator. And then there's this pulley here that it goes underneath. The rubber is going down opposite of the pulley. And then it comes around, and then this is that's just a pulley there. See how the rubber, it's got the lines for that one? That's why you want the lines facing that one. And then this is the water pump. So the water pump pulley is this. Oh shit. I had something in there. So that goes here, and then you can see that would go over here, with this going around it on the inside, because it doesn't have the ribs, so it's got that flat line. So that, yeah, I'm not trying to move this too much, so it would go like that. But I'm just going to put it here. So that pulley that I just showed you would go around that. And then it would come in. And then it'd go. So it's going to go around the water pump pulley this way. Like that. Around this one. It'll come in. And then around the ribs. We'll be back on the rib down below. Going down to that pulley there, with the ribs facing up now, which brings you right back over. I dropped something in there while I was making this. I didn't see where it went. So yeah, then it comes over to it goes under, and then it wraps around your crankshaft pulley, that big one. Comes down and then loops around this one back to your idler, or that's the one where I got that tool in. So that tool comes in, comes back underneath with the ribs facing up around that small pulley, and then wraps around your big crankshaft pulley. And to get to that big crankshaft pulley, you can come down here and take off that plastic. It's really easy to take off that plastic down below, coming in from the tire well. Coming in from there, just go take your tire off if you have to. Take that plastic off, make your life a lot easier. But, yeah, I think I dropped a razor blade down there that I should probably find. Alrighty, that's just kind of a 3.4 liter Chevy Equinox Serpentine belt lining up. This was just taken off because I took off. This is a sensor plug here for your intake that is really easy to take off. So yeah, to do this I would do that, and then if you have to take that shield off too. Alright, fine. 2005 Chevy Equinox. This is the alternator here. So the belt starts with the rubber down, comes up from down below the tensioner, way at the bottom, comes up with the ribs down on top of the alternator pulley, and then it goes down underneath that pulley here, ribs are down, and it comes across over to this pulley here on top, and then it goes, ribs are facing in on top of the water pump pulley, and then on top of the water pump pulley on the inside of it I get as far as I can see right here.